Hello everyone! We've noticed that we haven't published a video to test your skills or the possibilities of your brain for several days. In today's video, we prepared 5 interesting exercises for your amusement. They'll allow you to check your visual memory, your ability to remember information, and your logic. In addition, one of the exercises will let you know the true age of your brain. Are you ready? Let's get it on. Face. Let's start with an easy exercise. Look closely at this face. Try to remember its features as best as possible. Look closely at the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Is it now all in your head? Then tell us, who is the face you just saw and studied diligently? Well, it was the face of this woman. We're sure that you passed this simple test without problems. Painting. Have you ever seen this picture? It's a well-known painting by famous painter Vincent van Gogh. We'll give you a few seconds to memorize the picture the best you can, and then you'll have to answer 3 questions to check your ability to remember certain details. Ready? The clock is ticking. It's time for the questions, and each has several options for you to choose your answer. Memorize or write down your answers so you can compare them with the correct answers at the end. The first question is, what was the color of the blanket on the bed? Choose your answer from these 4 options. The second question is, how many chairs were in the room? Again, you have 4 options to choose from. And the last question, what color were the curtains in the window? Choose one of the options. Well, we've tortured you a little and now it's time to give you the right answers. The blanket was red, there were only 2 chairs in the room, and the windows did not have any kind of curtains. So, how many questions did you answer correctly? We're sure that this test has allowed you to discover how good your visual memory is. Square. Look closely at this image for 5 seconds. Now you have another 5 seconds to look at this image. Attention, it's time to answer. What square was white in both images? Think well before answering. Well, the correct answer is square number 3. At first glance it seems easy, but in our case we didn't choose the correct square. But surely you selected the right option. Another face. Now take a look at these 2 pictures. Watch them carefully and tell us what the mistake is in the 2 photographs. If you've not discovered the mistake, you can pause the video and think properly before hearing the correct answer. One trick to better understand the mistake is to rotate the 2 photographs. Did you notice how the eyes and mouth are in a strange position? Look again at the original image. We're sure that you didn't notice that. The problem is that our cunning brain does not notice the difference, since it's accustomed to perceive the eyes and mouth in its normal position, in spite of any changes. Little people. Now, as we promised, we will know the true age of your brain. Look closely at this image. If you see a woman's body, that is completely normal and it's what most people see. But not everything is so simple, comrades. Try to find in the same image 2 people dancing. If you want some more time, stop the video and take all the time you need. But don't forget to check how fast you can find the dancers. We'll tell you what for later. Hit play only if you've found the people or if you're just tired of looking at the screen. It's time for the truth. If it took you less than 20 seconds to find the figures, your brain is still quite young. You can easily face any changes and look at things from different angles. If you found the figures in less than 5 seconds, you have the brain of a child. But don't worry, this doesn't mean that you're dumb or something. On the contrary, your brain has the incredible ability to discover small details quickly, a capacity that we lose over the years. But finally, if it took you more than 20 seconds, or if you never found what we asked for, your brain has the age of an adult person. You have trouble changing your attention after seeing an object, and therefore you can't see other things in the image. That's all, folks. Tell us in the comments how old your brain is, and if you passed at least one of the tests, give us a thumbs up. Amazing gadgets, upcoming technologies, incredible inventions, and other cool stuff related to high tech on TechZone. Subscribe, you won't regret it. The link is on the screen and in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks, and we'll be right back to you as fast as we can.